Okay, it's time to tell them
yes
what we're about to be up to. Normally I would keep sleeping, but it's been a bumpy ride. Say good morning to my retainer. We stealth camped last night outside of Santa Barbara. We didn't stay near houses or anything, but normally when we do that, we try to leave as early as possible. So Sam anxiously woke up really early wanting to get us to leave. But now we've made it to Santa Barbara. I'm gonna chug some spearmint tea to start my day. And we're out of coffee, matcha, all that. So we're gonna use that as an amazing excuse, as you know, to go get coffee here. And we have really exciting plans tonight. I think I was gonna leave without my SPF. I do this every single time when I order coffee. I think they're reading my mind and know that I want iced, but alas, I never say it. So hot it is. It still tastes amazing. And the weather is cooling down here, so that's a plus.
You're looking back at me, as real as autumn air I take it.
So okay, we just got to State Street Beach, but trying to find a place to park. It's kind of hard in this van because everything's paid and it's a lot more expensive because they consider this an oversized vehicle. So let's see if we can try and find a free spot by the water.
Beauty that you keep.
This is such an amazing spot for free, right on the water. Can't be better than that. We just got a brand new drone. I'm so excited. No more 1080p terrible old school drone that goes literally as fast as my grandpa could walk. We've now got a speedy, nice Mavic Mini 2. Look at this bad boy, look how tiny this is. I'm stoked on it. But this will be my first time flying it, so we'll see how it goes.
Insert Santa Barbara drone footage.
I won't leave your side for anything. What would be the point? I'm with you through and through.
Are you kidding me with that drone footage? It looks amazing. We have so much to update you guys on. Right now, we are 2 weeks out from our wedding. When this video is posted, 2 weeks from that, which is kind of crazy. At the end of this video, we are going to announce our big plans that we are going to do for our honeymoon, and it also is what we were training for in the last couple of videos. So we're finally gonna share what we're doing. It's been, at this point, months in the making, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys. The first thing that we are doing that we just pulled out the laptop for is finding a rover, which is like this app that you can find babysitters in any city for your dog. And we are going to do that for our wedding because we still want him to be a part of it. And we figured out the perfect way to have him be a part of it, but also have someone watching him so we can be very present in our wedding week. We keep trying to leave so we can enjoy the sunshine in this gorgeous town, but we finished the booking for Sunny's babysitter during our wedding.
Hopefully.
Now we are finishing one of our client edits. We usually edit throughout the day. We don't edit like, you know, 8 hours straight or anything like that because we do gig work and that's how we kind of make our money. We have different clients and we film and edit for them. This is like a big update video, I feel like.
A big one.
So tonight we're really excited because we are going to a concert. So we feel so grateful that we get to do that. So last night we dropped off Sunny at his grandparents, my parents' house. They are on the way to Santa Barbara. They love Sunny so much. We dropped him off and then we drove all the way to Santa Barbara. And right when we pulled up to our spot, I realized that I had forgotten my purse at my parents' house.
With all of her important documents that I needed.
So we had to drive all the way back. It was about a 2-hour trip altogether, and we landed here at midnight last night. So Sam was a trooper. We definitely were not in good moods.
How are you feeling?
Good. But you know what? God bless. We made it here. We're happy. We're feeling more joyful. right day for it. I feel like my outfit is very interesting today.
I think it's gorgeous. I was just looking at the front of our windshield and I just found something I've literally never seen before in the windshield. Look at this.
Whoa, what?
How long has this been there? Oh my God, it might have been the mechanic, but why would he? I love Santa Barbara so much. It's definitely one of my favorite places to go with Kelly. It was actually the first place we actually took the van. Literally the first day of van life when we were basically babies into the van life world, we went to Santa Barbara.
I would argue that it's one of the best cities in California and the United States.
So the weather in Santa Barbara is definitely one of the best coastal towns you can go to. It's actually been known to be a very Mediterranean weather feel, which is why it's called the American Riviera.
Which no one calls it that, by the way.
No one calls it that.
That's what it said on Google.
That's what it said on Google, and I thought it was pretty interesting. The weather is almost always perfect year-round in Santa Barbara.
There's a lot of Spanish architecture here and missions. It's absolutely gorgeous, lined with so many palm trees, beautiful beaches. Also, there's this thing called the land shark that we're about to pass, and it is a car that turns into a boat and takes you a tour of the ocean. It's absolutely insane, and you should definitely do it at least once if you come to Santa Barbara. Off to the next spot. Look at that parallel parking! Woohoo! Car back there. Parallel parking. King shit.
We have just arrived at Butterfly Beach, another beautiful free beach. It's just outside of Santa Barbara. It's in Montecito, and we got the best spot in the lot, or on the street.
Montecito is an extremely rich area. It's where Oprah and Ellen DeGeneres and Meghan and Harry have gorgeous, massive homes. But van people like us and simpleton folks can enjoy the beach from our car.
Yeah, we're closer to the beach than they are. Am I right?
There's little that beats being parked next to an ocean in the van.
No, not much actually.
Kind of like peak van life. But if you know us, you know we thrive in ocean environments, so. Also, check out these new stickers we got. They're absolutely gorgeous. We got them made from a graphic designer that our friends Joss and Crystal recommended, and she is super talented, and we're super stoked. So these are our new and one and only custom van stickers, and we will be sending these out to anyone that joins our Patreon. So if you want to join now, we will be sending you these stickers, and the link to that will be in the description below. Need a little afternoon pick-me-up before I do some very satisfying chores. Do you know what they are? What are they?
Cleaning up this
Yeah. Sir?
all in the face.
I like the method. Woohoo! Look at all of that sand. Look at it.
So a little fun fact about Kelly, whenever she's feeling anxious or stressed, I'll always come back to the van and it is immaculate. I'll be honest, we're not necessarily the most clean people in the world, but if Kelly's stressed, this place is gonna be always looking good. But we're not stressed today, but we're gonna clean regardless.
Oh, I definitely am anxious today.
You're anxious today?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, first of all, I had coffee for the first time and I haven't in like 2 weeks. And
yes.
also, anytime we get a weird DM on Instagram, I start feeling anxious.
You know,
and
you're
our
right.
wedding is coming up and we're going on a massive trip and we're trying to figure out what to do with Sunny.
You know, that makes a lot of sense. Now I'm feeling anxious. This is what the cleaning's gonna do. She's gonna feel great after this.
Honestly.
She's gonna feel amazing.
Oh god.
My magic carpet.
Look how gross that is. It's so much is coming off. The last rug that we need to shake out. Oh no.
Oh my god.
So gross.
Dudes.
This AstroTurf that we put right on the first step when you walk in has been so handy in collecting dirt. Obviously there's still a lot left in the van that we just swept up, but it's so handy. I highly suggest putting that in your van.
Get all my anxiety and stress out of the van right now.
Much better.
Just sigh of relief, am I right?
Much better. It cured
A quarter of our stress.
exactly. Before I crack this open, we gotta do the kick test. make sure there's not too much urination in the toilet. Because the last thing you want to do is be in an area like this where you can't just be dumping your pee on the ground before we drink a bunch more liquid. You gotta check. Looks like we're good to go. Thankfully I did that before all of these people walked by our door. Great timing.
So we just finished all the work that we needed to do, so now it's time for us to get ready for the concert, and then we're gonna have our big chat about what's going on with our lives. I mean, do we clean up good or do we clean up good? Am I right, Kelly? I mean, look at her. Look at her, dang! This is not a van life type outfit. This is like, damn, I like, you know, make a lot of money. I work in the city. I'm a fashion model, all those things.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at them shoes. Straight from Tirana, and we are about to head out on an amazing adventure.
Look at the strawberry pattern. Now, let me show you Sam's outfit. We got the flippy floppies, we got the bootcut jeans, we got the nice button-up shirt.
The tried and true.
Little shot together.
Now we gotta go. We are running late. We need to get some dinner, and we need to figure out if we can park at the venue. There's a lot of things we gotta figure out. We gotta see if we even have these tickets.
Because our friend who got us these tickets, they are supposedly sitting at will call. So hopefully they're actually there and we didn't get dressed up and come here for nothing.
True that. I mean, if for some reason, if it's not, I'll just take her out to an even nicer dessert.
Oh, nice.
So your boy did a little outfit change. So I've got the black shirt, camo. You know, we're from California and I can't handle the cold. I got a cowboy hat.
Also, can I just say that the artist we're seeing is like a country pop artist. Her name is Maren Morris. And Sam does not really listen to her or any country. I don't really listen to too much country either, but I do like Maren Morris. And he just really got into the spirit.
Of
it's
course.
so freaking cute.
I've been wanting to wear this hat for a minute out in public, so now I have a real good excuse for it.
Something about Sam is he will get into whatever event you take him to.
Also, we really wanted to park in the paid parking section, but the Santa Barbara Bowl is a very small parking lot, and literally right when we showed up, they put the lot is full sign. So we did unfortunately have to park on the street, but Santa Barbara is a very nice place. We parked hopefully right in a safe part of the neighborhood. It's about a 15-minute walk to the venue, so hopefully we'll be good when the van comes in. Universe got our back.
Ready? Kelly, 2 tickets.
This has never happened.
It's so exciting. It's like Christmas. This has never happened. Section U8 110. I don't know if that's good or not, but we're gonna find out. Oh my God, art.
I've never sat even remotely this close to a concert. Look at this. Look behind us, and now look in front of us. Look, we are the 5th row from the front.
Thank you, Megan.
Megan, you're a legend.
Okay, it's time to tell them
Yes.
what we're about to be up to. So, what we are going to be up to for the next couple months is...
We're going to be going to Europe, and we're going to be attempting to do the Camino de Santiago.
It is a 500-mile, 800-kilometer trek throughout the country of Spain. We will be carrying everything on our backs, and we will be staying at hostels every night. And the goal is to do it from start to finish, and it should take us a minimum of potentially 35 days.
We're so excited. We're so anxious, and we've been planning this for a couple months now. We got all the gear, and we are so excited to bring you all along with us for our very unique and exciting honeymoon.
It is a historic pilgrimage, and we will give you so much more info when we get there. We are also going to be doing some traveling after the walk to kind of relax and have more of a traditional honeymoon. And what this means for the van is we are obviously leaving the van behind for a good chunk of time, but we are absolutely so excited. We obviously have some fears, nervousness, and butterflies and all of that, but it's going to be absolutely epic.
And for Sunny will be staying with Kelly's parents, and he probably likes it more than with us anyway, so we're gonna miss him. That's probably gonna be the hardest part of this entire journey, but we know he's gonna be happy happy and he's gonna be safe. So that's where Sunny will be during this adventure.
But my parents love him like he is their own dog, and so we feel very confident, but it's gonna be super hard to leave him, but we don't know if we'll ever get another opportunity like this in our entire life. So we are absolutely jumping on the chance, and we cannot wait to take you along. Thank you guys so much for watching our channel and for supporting us every single time that we post a video. We appreciate it more than you even know. If you wanna watch us daily, you can follow us on Instagram at Sam and Kelly's Van. We can't wait to see you in the comments and see how you liked this video and if you're excited for our future adventures. We love you guys and we'll see you next time. Next time we see you will be our wedding vlog. Woo!